Cover song again. One of my favorite boy band. O, diba? Ng Westlife. Isa sa mga kanta nila. Ayan. Flying Without Wings. Ayan. Try ko naman yung version ko. Ayan. Sana gustuhan nyo rin yung version ko. Thank you. So, walang sawang pakikinig. Ayan. Ito na. Flying Without Wings by Westlife. Everybody's looking for that something, one thing that makes it all complete. You find it in the strangest places, places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the face of the children, some find it in the lover's eyes. You can't deny the joy it brings when you found that special things. You're flying without wings. Some find it each and every morning, some in their solitary lives. You find it in the works of others. A simple land can make you laugh or cry. You find it in the deepest friendship, the kind you cherish all your life. And when you know how much that means, you found that special things. You're flying without wings. So impossible, 'cause they may see you got to fight for every dream. 'Cause who's to know which one you let go would you make you complete? Well, for me, it's waking up beside you to watch the sunrise on your face, to know that I can say I love you at any given time or place. It's little things that only I know. Those are the things that make you mine. And it's like flying without wings, 'cause you're more special things. I'm flying without wings, and you're the place my life begins. You'll be where it ends. I'm flying without wings, and that's the joy you bring. I'm flying without wings. Ayan, thank you again. Diba? Flying Without Wings ng Westlife. Ayan, my version. Thank you. Thank you sa walang sawang pakikinig. Love, love. Bye.